Hello everyone, I am TV Hari and today I am really excited to do this room overheard at breakfast. It's one of the latest rooms that's happened. I've already given it a go. I'm going to reset the whole room. And our progress is reset. So we don't actually need this. I accidentally started this machine. It's OSINT today and it's easy difficulty. And let's read the briefing. The terrace was loud this morning, clinking cutlery, espresso machines at the usual chatter. So this is the description. Basically, they're saying that we got a screenshot before it disappeared. And let's look at that screenshot right now. So if you're looking here, Ponzi influencer, hey at Lambo, you can read the whole chat by pausing the video or you can download it on your own. And the hint we were looking for here, instead of going down rabbit holes, I'm just going to get straight to the point. I used a tool that let me upload my profile and link other media accounts until it started with a G. And that's the email, which is what we needed. Okay, so what I did first was Google is a really useful source, especially for trying things like Google Docking. Okay, we look for link in bio services. Okay, and we ask this AI, is there a link in bio service starting with G? Which is actually really useful because AI nowadays is helping us do more pen tests. And wait a minute, this is the solution. So basically, after a bit of research, I got Gravatar. Okay, and basically, what we're trying to do is, okay, and we just tried. Oops, did I just reveal the flag? Okay, Lambo, because that's the person we're trying. Okay, now here we get this page and we enter. Why do I keep revealing the flag accidentally? Let's just type it, lambobitelotushotel@gmail.com. Kaboom, we have the code Lambo from Bite Lotus Hotel. And if we are going to copy that, CyberChef, there's going to be a bunch of random input. Let's see, from base 64 maybe. And there you go, we have the flag. And that is literally one of the fastest rooms we've done, but it took me a long time because I went through multiple rabbit holes. So be careful if you're using your own methods. It's really tricky to solve this one, but in the end you should look for the right hints, and instead of getting distracted by other things, you have to use the ones that actually matter. Thank you for watching this walkthrough, and I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like and share to my channel for more walkthroughs like this.